Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to take fish oil pills. Many people want to incorporate fish oil into their routine for its numerous health benefits, like supporting heart and brain function. However, some find the pills large or experience an unpleasant fishy aftertaste. This easy method will help you swallow your supplements smoothly and avoid those common issues, making your daily dose a much more pleasant experience. Let's get started with the first simple step. To make swallowing easier, always take your fish oil pill with a generous amount of liquid, like a full glass of water. A big gulp helps the capsule slide down without getting stuck. Some people find it helpful to place the pill on their tongue, then immediately take a large drink and swallow. Also, storing your fish oil in the refrigerator can significantly reduce the chance of experiencing those unwanted fishy burps later in the day. To further minimize any aftertaste, look for enteric-coated fish oil supplements. These are designed to bypass the stomach and dissolve in the intestines, preventing the fishy burps that often occur when the capsule breaks down too early. Taking your fish oil with a meal, particularly one that includes other healthy fats, can also aid absorption and reduce the likelihood of an unpleasant taste. Never take them on an empty stomach. For optimal results, try to take your fish oil at the same time each day. This consistency helps your body adapt and makes it easier to remember your dose. You might also consider splitting your daily intake into 2 smaller doses, perhaps one with breakfast and one with dinner, which can improve absorption and further reduce any potential side effects. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.